cook up some good old delicious catfish nuggets. Oh yeah, you already see it, y'all. Let me season it up on my own seasoning. Check it out. Hold on. Oh yeah, check it out, y'all. I'm finna hook it up with some little old seasoning real quick. Check it out. Oh yeah, get a little dash. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. I love my dash. Even though I'm gonna season my meal a little, put a little dash, y'all. Nice little wet. Wet, okay. Onion powder. Love my onion powder. Cut that fishy taste. You know what I'm saying? And I love me some paprika. Delicious. Okay. Gotta get it good, y'all. Come on. Get it in there. Get it in there. I love my smoked paprika. Try to cut that fishy taste. Alright, y'all. Now I need some good old lemon pepper. Oh yeah, lemon pepper, y'all. You know, gotta cook it up. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake that lemon pepper. Lemon pepper. Hey, alright, y'all. Mix it up, y'all. Be right back. Oh yeah, check it out, y'all. Season up real nice and good, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Now for the hook up my seasoning. Oh yeah, check it out. Oh yeah, check it out. Time to mix up the meal. Real good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, time to get a cracker back in. Hey! Oh yeah, I'm cooking it on this bad boy, y'all. Let me see that grease out. Let's see that grease out. You hear it? Oh, sugar ducky. Oh, sugar ducky. He's ready. Hold on. Let me let that baby simmer down real quick. Yeah, let me get it crunk, y'all. Because, you know, it's the real catfish nugget. The skin don't stick real good. So add a little mustard, then toss that thing again. And go in the middle, y'all, and it's showtime. Booyah, check it out, y'all. Got the gloves on, showtime. Look at the fish nuggets. Showtime. Get a good handful, y'all. Whoop, toss that thing. Smash them real down real good, y'all. Gotta get them good. Yeah, make sure they flip over real good, everybody. And gotta make sure they pat down on that back skin. As you see, shake out the excess, and there it goes swimming. Oop, there it is, y'all. Showtime. Yeah, check it out. Showtime. Showtime. Oh, I ain't saying. Hey. Let's go swimming. All right. This is a big boy. I could cook a lot of fish on this bad boy. All right, got a little more to go. All right, y'all. Hook up these good old tater tots, y'all. Ooh, but look at these catfish nuggets. Playing those games, y'all. Yeah. Yeah, and you know I had to go and bust out that tartar sauce. I told y'all. When I show you something, I'm coming with it. Yeah, check it out. Yeah. So yeah, y'all, I'm finna go drop these in that good old fryer. Hold on. Oh yeah. I'll be back. Look at them tater tots, y'all. Yeah, baby. Ooh, look at them. Nugget, look at them tater tots. Look at that good old salad, y'all. Ooh, and then I got that good old tartar sauce. Please subscribe, y'all. Peace out. Oh yeah, delicious.